1.
You're on.
Welcome to our humble abode. Come in. This is our exercise room and our kitchen, which we've made good use of space. We put together our little cart.
Look, the
We have
kitchen.
all of our reminders of our family nearby. Make us smile. Oh, we didn't clean up, honey.
We didn't clean up at all. This is the real us. It's like MTV Cribs.
Come into the bathroom.
Cozy. It's kind of hard to shoot.
Alright, follow me to our storage area. This is actually going to become my Bible reading quiet area. Here we are. I should get out of the way so you can see the closet.
There's the closet.
That's it.